Use protection when handling inks, as they are corrosive. Turn off and unplug the printer before handling any components. We will proceed with the installation of the new capping. First, observe the position of the previous capping to ensure the new one is placed correctly. Next, remove the 4 screws that secure it. Then, disconnect and remove the tubes. If necessary, cut the tubes to the appropriate length. Next, connect the tubes to the new capping and place it in position. Finally, screw it into place. With this, the new capping is installed and ready to function.